You won't believe these desserts need only 3 ingredients: no oven, no fancy tools, just simple magic in your kitchen. From creamy to crunchy, these quick recipes are perfect for sudden cravings or surprise guests. Let's jump into the easiest, tastiest treats you've ever made.
3-ingredient fudge. Let's gather our tools. You'll need a medium saucepan, heavy bottomed is ideal, a heat-proof spatula, a baking pan, and a baking dish for setting the fudge. Having these tools ready will make the process smoother and more enjoyable. Now let's move on to our ingredients. You will need 2 cups semi-sweet chocolate chips. Dark chocolate lovers, swap them out. 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, the magic ingredient. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for that extra boost of flavor. Line your baking pan with parchment paper. This will make cutting and serving a fudge a breeze later on. In your saucepan, combine the chocolate chips and condensed milk. Heat it over medium heat, stirring constantly, imagining the rich aroma of melted chocolate filling your kitchen. Pro tip: want even creamier fudge? Add a tablespoon of butter while melting the chocolate and condensed milk. Every bite will be pure indulgence. Keep stirring until the chocolate melts completely and the mixture reaches a smooth, heavenly consistency. Don't be shy, give it all your love. Once melted, remove the saucepan from the heat. Stir in the vanilla extract, allowing its sweet fragrance to infuse the fudge. Pour the warm fudge mixture into the prepared baking pan. Spread it evenly, making sure every corner is coated with chocolatey goodness. Pro tip: get creative. Add chopped nuts, chocolate chips, sprinkles, or even a pinch of sea salt for a delightful twist. Let the fudge cool completely at room temperature. If you are impatient like me, you can refrigerate it for a faster set. Patience, my friend, the reward is near. Once cooled and set, cut the fudge into squares, grab a fork, take a bite, and let the rich creamy chocolate melt in your mouth. Pure bliss. There you have it, folks. Our 3-ingredient fudge recipe is a testament to the fact that deliciousness doesn't always require complicated ingredients. I recently discovered a recipe so simple yet so incredibly delicious that it blew my mind. I'm talking about a cake made with just 3 ingredients. Can you believe it? And guess what? It's even no bake. This is a game changer, folks. For this recipe, you'll need just a few basic kitchenware: a mixing bowl, a hand mixer or electric stand mixer for ease, a spatula, your trusty baking pan, and some parchment paper to prevent any sticky situation. Now on to the magic ingredients. You'll need a full package of your favorite Oreos, cream and all, half cup of milk, and half teaspoon of baking powder. That's it. 3 simple ingredients to pure dessert bliss. First, we'll need to crush the Oreos. You can use a food processor for a fine crumb or a rolling pin for more chunky texture, depending on your preference. Once the Oreos are crushed, add them to your mixing bowl. Pour in the milk and baking powder, and then mix everything together with your hand mixer or stand mixer until it's well combined and smooth. Next, line your baking pan with parchment paper. This will prevent your cake from sticking and make cleanup a breeze. Pour the batter into the pan and spread it evenly. Now the moment we have all been waiting for, baking time. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake the cake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the cake is baked, let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and serving. For an extra chocolatey kick, you can sprinkle some cocoa powder on the top of the cake before baking, or for a festive touch, add some chopped nuts or mini marshmallows to the batter.
Whip up an easy breezy 3-ingredient banana bread. Ready to begin? Grab your ripe bananas, self-rising flour, and sweetened condensed milk. Just these 3 things. Make sure your bananas have spots. It adds sweetness to your banana bread. Now, in a mixing bowl, mash up those ripe bananas. The riper, the better. It adds a lovely natural sweetness to our banana bread. Once mashed, add 1.5 cups of self-rising flour. This will give our banana bread the perfect rise without the need for baking powder. Next, the secret ingredient, sweetened condensed milk. Pour in 1 cup, and this will not only add sweetness, but also give our banana bread that moist and dense texture. It's a game changer. Now, Let's mix it all together until well combined. You want a smooth and creamy batter. And here's a tip. If your batter seems a bit dry, you can add a splash of milk to achieve the right consistency. Transfer your batter into a pre-greased loaf pan, smooth out the top with a spatula, and we are ready to bake. Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. If your bread is browning too quickly, simply cover it with aluminium foil to prevent overbrowning. And remember, every oven is different, so keep an eye on it towards the end. Time to jazz up your banana bread with some exciting toppings. Whether it's a playful sprinkle of chopped nuts, a luxurious drizzle of chocolate, or a classic dusting of powdered sugar, elevate your baking game with these endless possibilities. Now, your 3-ingredient banana bread masterpiece is ready for indulgence. I hope the simplicity of this recipe made your baking experience delightful. In 3-ingredient mug cake recipe, you will need just 3 simple ingredients: milk, an egg, and your choice of flavor: chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, or add some fun with sprinkles. First up, the classic mug cake with milk. Take your favorite microwave-safe mug. Pour in 1/4 cup of milk. Any type will do, but I recommend whole milk for that extra creaminess. Next, add 1/3 cup of your chosen cake mix. Today, I am going with chocolate for that rich, indulgent taste. Give it a good stir to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. No one likes a lumpy mug cake. Now, let's kick it up a notch with a mug cake that indulges an egg. This adds a fluffy texture you will love. Crack 1 egg into the mug. Then, add 1/3 cup of your chosen cake mix. Today, I am opting for the classic vanilla. Give it another good stir. This time, you will notice the batter getting a bit thicker. That's the egg working its magic. Now, let's talk about flavors. You can get creative here. Whether it's chocolate, vanilla, or strawberry, the choice is yours. Experiment with your favorite flavors and find the perfect combo for your taste buds. Today, I will be making a chocolate mug cake, but the fun doesn't stop here. It's time to talk about toppings. Sprinkles, chocolate chips, whipped cream. Go wild. Personalize your mug cake to make it unique. If your mug cake looks a bit dry, try adding a splash of milk before microwaving. And if it's not fully cooked, just pop it back in for another 10 seconds until it's perfect. Your delightful 3-ingredient mug cake is ready to devour. Easy, quick, and utterly satisfying. Now have fun exploring different flavors to discover your ideal mug cake combo. Banana brownies. Alright, so here's the lowdown on what you need. Ripe bananas, cocoa powder, and almond flour. Yes, just 3 things. Peel those bananas and mash them up. Then, sprinkle in that cocoa powder and almond awesomeness. Mix it all up until it's the Beyonce of batter is flawless. Now, take that luscious batter and pour it into a cozy baking dish. Smooth it out, pop it into the oven, bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Once your brownies are out and cooled, patience, my friends, it's slicing time. Voila! Check out these amazing brownies. They are like the cool James Bond of desserts. Smooth, fancy, and everyone wants a bite. Great for showing off to friends or just enjoying a treat for yourself. Now, let's jazz these up. Powdered sugar for a touch of elegance, a scoop of vanilla ice cream for the cool factor, or go wild with nuts, berries, or a chocolate waterfall.
Amazing biscuits lies in just 3 key components. Before we start, let's talk about what makes biscuits perfect. It's all about achieving that golden, flaky goodness. We are talking about biscuits that are light, airy, and melt in your mouth. Stick around and I will show you how to master the art of biscuit perfection. Now for the star players in our biscuit show: flour, baking powder, and butter. That's right, just 3 simple ingredients for biscuit perfection. To begin with, the flour. For this recipe, we recommend using all-purpose flour. Its protein content gives us our biscuits that ideal texture. Trust me, it makes all the difference. Now let's talk precision. Accurate flour measurement is key. Too much or too little can throw off the balance. Use a measuring cup, spoon the flour in, and level it off. Consistency is key for consistent biscuits. Next up, the magic behind the rice, baking powder. This little ingredient is what gives us biscuits that lovely fluffiness. Just a teaspoon can make all the difference. And now the secret to incredible flavor and texture, butter. It adds richness and that mouth-watering taste we all crave in our biscuit. Don't be shy with it. Butter makes everything better. With our flour, baking powder and butter ready, it's time to mix the ingredients. Combine them thoroughly to ensure an even distribution. Shaping and cutting are crucial steps. Use a biscuit cutter or a round glass to create those perfect rounds. Now comes the exciting part, baking. Preheat your oven to 425 to 450 degree Fahrenheit. Pop these beauties in and set the timer. Keep a close eye on them. When they are beautifully golden, it's time to take them out. Last but certainly not least, buttering. This step adds a rich flavorful finish. Brush some melted butter on your warm biscuits. There you go. Your easy 3-ingredient biscuits are done.
Who knew desserts could be this easy and this good? Let me know in the comments which one you're trying first, and if you want more quick recipes like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. I've got more sweet ideas coming soon.